There's an untapped resource in universities. Universities have to believe and teach and practice what they teach. Just like what the Bible says, you that teachest thou not thyself. So, universities teach corporate social responsibility, and they themselves are also practicing university social responsibility. And how does that take the shape of? So in Singapore, for example, our university has a social innovation center. They promote and support social innovation and harness the resources, either students or faculty, to think of what they can do to help social issues and social challenges. Another area is we talk about and teach sustainability. So universities are engaged in looking at ways to be sustainable themselves and promote sustainability. How do the churches then use these opportunity or things and activities that universities are promoting? And that is to use the students and faculty as resources, because you confront the social issues and problems for which these brains and intellectuals can be engaged in finding solutions that can be employed and deployed through the students working together with the volunteers from the church. It may require the application to the university to take the route through a non-church front. In other words, use a lay person who comes to the university suggesting that they think about a challenge that the university can make a name for itself in addressing. It could be a student, a research student, whose research project engages and works with the community to solve a community problem. It could be an organization or business person in your church who can sponsor a project which is matched with funds from the university through a research center or government grant to work on something meaningful. For example, even starting or thinking of a theater company to run programs that engage and help the community in the area of community development. So the opportunities are bountiful. And as it goes along, as universities begin to follow each other's example, there'll be more and more of such endeavors and campaigns. For universities are going to be ranked on how they are themselves socially responsible. With this in mind, what pastors and Christian leaders should do is scan the environment to see which of the universities are open to these changes, who are seeking opportunities to be relevant to their communities and to society, because they all have to be seen doing something, and they do it using the resources that are on campus, the students and the faculty. One other way to do this is find within your church students, because students are the ones you could see, to approach student clubs in the university, to approach faculty members in the university to help suggest these projects. The other approach is to find within your church business people who do not mind working on these projects together with universities, because universities are always looking for companies to fund projects for which they will match with either sweat or actual financial support. So my suggestion is that the church seriously thinks about this.